Hey guys, this is Clinton Jeff, and as you can see from this little sticker here, yesterday I was at the launch of the Adidas Star Wars sneaker collection here in India. There's a huge collection of sneakers and hoodies and a couple other things that they're launching together with Star Wars. The first November drop was shown off at the launch yesterday, and here's a quick look at these sneakers. Alright guys, that was a quick look at the November drop for the Adidas Star Wars collection sneakers. As you can tell, my favorite sneaker is the Ultra Boost because I have to admit, that is one pretty sweet looking pair of Ultra Boosts. And so far I wasn't a huge fan of the Ultra Boost 19, so that's really saying something. If you guys are gonna pick up any of these or gonna cop any of these sneakers, let me know which ones you chose. Of course, I also want to know what you guys think about that Ultra Boost because for me, that was the sweetest pair. Alright guys, so that's about it. As always, if this video was helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like button right below or maybe subscribe because that would be appreciated. And yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching guys and I'll see you in the next one.